Minasan konnichiwa, konbanwa. I am Mitita and welcome to I Speak Japanese. Today we will study another Japanese grammar pattern that convey that something is not always the case or not necessarily so. Today we will study in Japanese how to express an exceptions and indicate that an expectation may not hold true in every situation. Today we will study the use of kanarazu shimoto wa kagiranai pattern. Let's go. In today's lesson, we will study the use of the Japanese grammar point kanarazu shimoto wa kagiranai. The grammar point kanarazu shimoto wa kagiranai is used to express that something is not always true, that there is exception. It is equivalent to not always, not necessarily so. It is not always the case that in English. This structure involves kanarazu shimo plus the plain form statement plus to wa kagiranai. For the verb plain form, use the dictionary form of the verb. Example, tabemasu is taberu. Ikimasu is iku. Narimasu is naru. For nouns, gakusei desu will be gakusei da. Hitsuyou desu will be hitsuyou da. For adjective plain form, omoshiroi desu is omoshiroi. Takai desu is takai. For non-adjectives, shizuka desu is shizuka da. Benri desu is benri da. Let's have an example. お金持ちな人が必ずしも幸せだとは限らない。Again, お金持ちな人が必ずしも幸せだとは限らない。Meaning, rich people are not necessarily happy. This sentence comes from the plain statement, お金持ちな人は幸せだ。Again, お金持ちな人は幸せだ。This is the plain statement, which means rich people are happy. And the speaker wants to express that this statement is not always true. So the speaker used kanarazu shimoto wa kagiranai. Take note that the okanemochi na hito wa turns into okanemochi na hito ga. The particle wa changed into particle ga, followed by kanarazu shimo, plus the plain form of the statement, which is shiawase da, followed by to wa kagiranai, which makes お金持ちな人が必ずしも幸せだとは限らない。Let's have another example. 高いものが必ずしも良いとは限らない。高いものが必ずしも良いとは限らない。This means expensive things are not necessarily good quality in English. This sentence comes from the plain statement, 高いものは良い。高いものは良い, which means expensive things are good. But for the speaker, this statement doesn't hold true in every situation. So he said, 高いものが必ずしも良いとは限らない。Now let me give you common mistakes and tips. Forgetting 必ずしも changes the meaning. Example, 高いものが良いとは限らない。This means expensive things are not good. Omitting 必ずしも from the sentence makes the sentence an absolute statement. But we do not want to give an absolute statement here. We just want to express exceptions or to indicate that an expectation might not hold true in every situation. So do not forget to use 必ずしも。必ずしも高いものが良いとは限らない。Yes, you may use 必ずしも at the beginning of the sentence. Another tip is, do not use negative verb before to wa kagiranai. Since kagiranai is already negative, do not use a negative verb before it. Kanarazu shimo ikanai to wa kagiranai is incorrect. Use kanarazu shimo iku to wa kagiranai. For you to correctly make a sentence, use this pattern. Subject or topic ga plus kanarazu shimo plus the plain statement plus to wa kagiranai. Example, 日本の食べ物が必ずしも健康的だとは限らない。 This means Japanese food is not always completely healthy. But can kanarazushi mo comes first? Yes, the word kanarazushi mo may come at the beginning of the sentence. That is, kanarazushi mo nihon no tabemono ga kenkou-teki da to wa kagiranai. Now, please try to translate this sentence in Japanese. Famous people are not necessarily happy. You can see the answer in the comment section. That's all for today, and thank you again for watching. Good luck! Okay, I hope that you learned from our video today. By understanding and practicing the use of kanarazu shimoto wa kagiranai, you can express exceptions in Japanese and make your Japanese more nuanced and natural. Good luck on your Japanese study. Thank you for watching.